Check this fight out. Look at this. I haven't seen a fight this good in a while. Of course, they got 5 minutes for fight, but hey, you know what? That's the fight. That's the kind of stuff that excites the game. Yeah. Of course, you know, bros could be like, laughing about. It's one of those scenarios, you know. You find out with the dude, you know, then 15 minutes, like, hey, it's all good, bro. Let me buy you a drink. Yeah, cracked on later tonight. They're 4-9-1. Fighting, V-Point. Hornquist, yep.
But you do have to stand up for yourself sometimes.
Exactly.
There's a time and a place.
And he's done it before.
Yep.
Gold Knights. That's on Hockey Night Canada, the second one.
He did take matters into his own hands there. So face off inside the Lightning, the blue line, and they control it and work it back down the ice. Picked up by
Dave Randolph.
Puts it back to the point for Bogosian. Bogosian.
Ron England. Yeah. Valley Sports Sun. Lightning. Victor Hedman.
What a smart play by Victor Hedman. It's about positioning, knowing where the shot is coming from on the angle and where the rebound can come out to. What's the goalie going to do with it? Here comes the play from outside, off by the boards. The shot. Kachuk takes a look in the middle. He sees Victor going. It's a redirection. But nonetheless, even if it had to come off the goaltender, the odds are it was going to come out along the wall there. So Victor snuck down the backside. Nobody saw him. He's in exactly the right position. And he shoots it in the back of the net by a very
second goal of the season for Victor Hedman.
I'm sure was unaware that Hedman was even there.
College football, Georgia won. Figure that.
Hedman with his second goal of the season.
Got Cincinnati second ranked. They won last night.
2-goal lead on the Panthers.
Bama won 59-3.
Coming in a 3-game winless skid after their hot 10-0-1.
Wow,
start.
Oklahoma goes down.
Still
I can hear Amy bitching about this one. Uh-oh. Oregon's last player tonight.
Here comes Bennett. Bennett cuts back now into the middle. His shot, and it just trickles past that far post. Vasilevsky, he comes out with a stick to knock
Ohio
it away
State
from
won.
Jonathan Huberdeau, as it almost bounced back out in front. Sent in by the
Notre Dame's at 7-0 in the first.
Picked up now by Uyghur. Uyghur with lots of room to skate it out to center. Cuts in and then
Michigan State 40-21.
This one banks into the corner for Hagee, gets onto it, makes the play in front, kick save, rebound after a great stop by
That was a great save.
Vasilevsky as he got that left pad out.
It is incredible the saves he can make with his pads, but also the balance that he shows afterwards.
Time for a TV timeout time.